Alright, welcome to another video in this episode of this journey of growing a very small crypto wallet and incrementally adding to it weekly between $20 to $50 a week is at the moment what I've decided to do on this particular series, because I just want to document a journey that everybody can follow. That's not too far-fetched for people that don't necessarily have a lot of money to get started investing or buying crypto. You might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't have a lot of money. Maybe you can only start with $200, $100, and maybe you can only commit $100 to $200 monthly, which is about $20 to $50 weekly, right? So is it still worth it? And what does that journey look like? And I wanted to document this for people that might be in that particular situation, just to encourage them that even with little, if you've started with little, it's still worth putting something away on a consistent basis into an asset that has the potential to grow and make you good returns. And so that's what I'm doing on this series. So I made the first video, and my wallet is still sitting around $280, under $300. So there hasn't really been much of a change. And I said that in this particular series, I'm going to be mainly buying XRP, Bonk, and HBAR. So I'll show you my allocation. So right now in this wallet, I've got a bit of Crow coin, which is the native token for crypto.com, and then you can see that I have $196 in XRP, $35 in Bonk, $24 in Hedera, and $2.31 in Solana. And this is a very small wallet, but weekly we're going to be adding to it, and we're just going to see what it looks like a few months, weeks, years from now. It's a journey just to see, even with little, what can be achieved. We're either going to be in a position where we've grown this account into something significant, or it might all go to zero. We don't know, but we're hopeful. But if you want to follow that journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the channel just to follow that journey. Let's go on this journey together, especially if you're someone that you feel like you don't really have a lot of money, but you want to invest. You should be investing towards the future, but you feel like maybe what you have isn't going to make much of a difference. I'm encouraging you to, even with the little you have, start putting something away. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my own journey and sharing it. And if it helps someone, fine, great, fantastic. But if you want to go on this journey with me, even if it's just to have someone encouraging you, going through the lows and the highs with you of the crypto market, because it is full of highs and lows, right? One day your wallet is up and you're smiling, another day it could be down and things aren't going the way you want, but at least now you have somebody to walk that journey with together. I'm going to be trying to upload every day, even though I'm going to be buying weekly, but I'll try and upload every day. Who knows, maybe I might even change the strategy and buy daily. I don't know, buy smaller amounts daily, maybe like $10 a day. I don't know, I'll figure that out. But in any case, if you want to follow the journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'd appreciate it. So yeah, that's where we are today. The wallet is still sitting at $287, and we're going to be contributing bit by bit, and let's see where this journey takes us. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow. Peace.